answers. Where do you go skateboarding? In the park, says Matt. Me too, says Alice. Let's go skateboard there, says Matt. Okay, says Alice. Yes, let's go there now. My father and I like fishing here too. Do you, asks Alice. No, I don't, answers Matt. I don't like fishing. Ow!
I want you to repeat those words after me. Sometimes he helps me.
Sometimes he helps me.
Math.
Math.
Loves.
Loves. My dad gets up early most days. He makes our breakfast.
To get in at all, said the footman. That's the first question. You know, it was no doubt.
They have a pet. His name is Spot. 4 children have a lot of computer games, but I want that game.
Comments for you. The word asked. Okay, when you have ed after key, you pronounce the ed as t. Asked.
They has a pet.
They have
a pet.